First thing first, introducing my pocket mirror. Cosrx toner, but I don't use as of now. It replenishes moisture on your face. Instead, I use Centella toner for my skin. An ampoule from Centella too. To protect from UV rays, I use Snail All-in-One Sun Plus Primer from Pretty Skin. Body lotion, which I am very in love with these days. And next is my hair oil. I do use this sometime only, not every time. And yeah, this a petroleum jelly for my lips. This for my eyes. Eye clipper for my lashes. And this is my eyebrow. I do line my eye with this. And this, as you know, it's a mascara. I do this for my eyelash. To make it more beautiful, I use this. Nail polish to do my nails, and some perfumes. Thank you for watching.